As a GA player, security forces possibly didn't look too well on this. The GA player, you know, I had personally had a couple of bad experiences myself.
Testing your fad daoine chomantir na boite, hocuid go dtí stop, Marial gur ó geansí dá an chumulúch le scéalart, beidir go maithe tar níos an char, gur ó dáid an mhaile pelle bhí leat, gur ó sé stróchaí sa chéile iad i gré, gur ó glárug beidir gonaí ná i glárug rudaí eile.
One experience, we were coming home from a county hurling match. 4 of us in the car, and we were crossing the border down the Cloy there, with hurls and helmets and the J bags, and we pulled into a shed. That was a checkpoint that didn't make a nest. We were shot dead at. Each one of us was put into a different corner of the shed, and we were as much as interrogated. Ran running about with guns. 4 of us got into the car again, and we were terrified. It scared me a wee bit. It scared me a wee bit. I may use the word scared me a wee bit. My wife now, Siobhan, but she was my girlfriend then. Whenever she came home from work, she'd have came with me because I didn't want to cross that border myself late at night again after what I experienced before.